Hello everyone. Welcome to Nexa Fix Tech. Want to install Kodi add-ons but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to install both official and third-party Kodi add-ons. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the package installer. From the Kodi home screen, click Add-ons, then select the package installer icon in the top left corner. Step 2. Install an official add-on. Click Install from Repository, then open the Kodi add-on repository. Choose a category like Video Add-ons, select the add-on you want, and click Install. Step 3. Enable unknown sources. To install third-party add-ons, go to Settings, System, Add-ons and enable unknown sources. Confirm the warning to continue. Step 4. Add the repository. Go to Settings, File Manager and click Add Source. Enter the repository URL, give it a name, and click OK. Step 5. Install the repository. Return to the package installer, select Install from zip file, choose the source you added, and install the repository zip. Step 6. Install the add-on. Select Install from repository, open the newly installed repository, choose your add-on, and click Install. And that's it, you've successfully installed Kodi add-ons. If you found this guide helpful, leave a like, subscribe to Nexa and thanks for watching.